Je me souviens sous la pluie.
She's not my friend. She's a saxophone.
A what?
When I want to say a dirty word, I say saxophone.
Frankly, I don't think much of your methods, Colonel Dobbs.
Well, that's your problem.
Let me see it, and I'll tell you.
Love.
I swear, I'm telling you the truth.
So am I.
I don't believe you.
Same here.
You had nothing on me, nothing. You drummed it all up. You and your Cheshire Cat smile.
I don't know what hit me.
You got it bad, all right, love. They say when the pane breaks, that means you're in love.
Get the hell out of here.
When people gnaw their nails, it's not what you think. It means they haven't grown up, and they've got more imagination than is good for them.
You expect me to eat that?
Americans live on ketchup and milk. I'm a whiz at geography.
Did he come on the bus? The hell he did. No one ever comes on the bus.
Then he must have ridden in on the rain.
Your victim. His name was Mac Guffin.